Hey student, welcome back to Chalk and Duster. Today, let us learn how to represent root 3 on the number line using the spiral method. First, draw a number line and mark its center as O or 0. Now, take another point A on the positive side of the number line such that OA equals to 2 centimeter. Here we are considering 2 centimeter as 1 unit. Next, draw a perpendicular at point A. You can use protractor or compass to do this, just as we did while constructing root 2 in the previous video. Now, on this perpendicular, measure 2 centimeter and mark a point B. So, AB equals to 2 centimeter, which is equals to 1 unit 2. Join O and B together. What is OB? OB is the hypotenuse of the triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, which is a right angle triangle, angle A is 90 degree. Therefore, here OA equals to 1 unit, AB equals to 1 unit. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of OB. How to find out the value of OB? We know that Pythagoras theorem says h square equals to b square plus p square, or h equals to square root of b square plus p square. Let us consider OB as h. We can write OB equals to square root of OA square means b, OA is b, AB square means p. So, this is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Here, we are going to put the values of OA and AB. That means 1 square plus 1 square, which is equals to root 2. So, OB is the length of hypotenuse and OB is represented by root 2. Now, to construct root 3, let us turn the page a little and again draw another perpendicular at point B. Again, you can use a protractor or a compass to draw the perpendicular. On this perpendicular, measure 2 centimeter and mark a point C as end point so that AB equals to 2 centimeter, which is again considered as 1 unit, and we know OB as root 2 units. Let us join OC. In triangle OBC, we can say that angle B is equals to 90 degree. And OB, which is the base, OB equals to root 2 units, and BC. BC will be equals to 1 unit. Sorry, it will be BC, not OB. BC equals to, or CB equals to 1 unit. Again, applying the Pythagoras theorem, we can find out OC. So, what will be OC? OC equals to root over OB square plus CB square, where OB square is root 2 whole square plus 1 square means 1 So root 2 square means 2 plus 1, which is root 3. We know that root 2 square is equals to 2. So our required OC is root 3. OC is the length of the hypotenuse of triangle OBC. To locate root 3 on the number line, let us place the compass needle at point O and take OC as the radius. Draw an arc cutting the number line on the positive side. The point where the arc intersects the number line is the position of root 3. And this is how we represent root 3 on the number line using the spiral method. Now, let us represent root 5 using spiral method on number line. Again, we have to draw a number line using a ruler. Mark the central point or center as O or 0. Now, let us take a point A on the positive side such that OA equals to 2 centimeter, where 2 centimeter represents 1 unit. Next, draw a perpendicular at point A using a protractor or a compass. Make sure that the perpendicular is of 2 centimeter long, that is 1 unit. Let us mark the end point as B. Then we get a right angle triangle OAB, where angle A is 90 degree. Therefore, what will be the value of OB? As we calculated already, it will be root over 1 square plus 1 square, which is equals to root 2, where OA is 1 unit and AB is 1 unit. So, we use Pythagoras theorem. OB square equals to OA square plus AB square. We get finally OB as root 2. Taking OB as base and point B as one of the end point, let us draw another perpendicular using protractor or compass. Again, measure 2 centimeter, that is 1 unit, on this perpendicular and mark the end point as C, where BC will be 1 unit. Then let us join OC, where OC will be the new hypotenuse and the value of OC will be root 2 square plus 1 square. So, value of OC square is root 2 square plus 1 square. So, the value of OC is root over root 2 square plus 1 square means root 3. After getting OC as root 3, let us draw another perpendicular at point C, taking OC as base. Again, measure 2 centimeter as 1 unit and on the perpendicular and mark point D. Let us join OD. Again, we will get a right angle triangle OCD, where angle C is 90 degree, OC is root 3, OD is 1. So, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of OD, that is root 3 whole square plus 1 square means 4. So, OD is root 4. Root 4 means 2. Now, let us draw the final perpendicular at point D and measure 2 centimeter as 1 unit and mark the point E as the end point. Let us join OE. So, finally we get a line OE, and OE is the hypotenuse of the triangle ODE. Let us find out what is the value of OE. We know OD is right angle, angle A is 90 degree. So, OD is root 4 means 2 units. OE is 1 unit. You can see that step by step we reach up to OE, and every single perpendicular we take 1 unit only. So, by Pythagoras theorem, finally we can find out OE equals to square root of OD square plus ED square. Therefore, square root of root 4 square plus 1 square. So, square root of 4 plus 1, it is square root of 5. To locate root 5 on the number line, place the compass needle at O and take OE as the radius. Draw an arc that cuts the number line on the positive side. The point where the arc intersects the number line gives the point position of root 5. Using spiral method, we can draw more such diagrams. We'll come back soon with root 3, root 5, root 7, root 11.